Thanks a lot to Mekoh for sending this product out to review. This is the 15-inch stainless steel, very well made. This is what the inside looks like. Has the nozzles right there. This thing spins super easy. But just a couple things. You got the bristles on the bottom here. You got these swiveling wheels. You got a handle for easy pickup. Also comes with the attachment. So we'll attach that right there. And then also comes with extra nozzles for changing it out. Also a little needle in case you need to clean out the nozzles. And then some sealant tape if you need that as well. So let's hook this up and let's see what it can do on this dirty driveway right here. Going to make surface cleaning so much faster. So very easy to just quick connect right here. Boom. And then connect the pressure washer to this side. Connect right here. I would say that cleans really, really well. Super easy to clean your surface. Okay, so there you go, the Mekoh 15-inch surface cleaner, heavy duty, gonna get the job done. Very easy to use. Do you see a line? I'm pretty sure there's a line. Yeah, definitely did some work. And obviously I could go a little bit slower, but I was just doing a quick demo, and it's gonna get the job done and clean. This thing is awesome. Thanks a lot to Mekoh for sending this out. And these wheels roll awesome. The handle, be able to pick it up is awesome as well. But yeah, this is an awesome product. If you need something to clean up, this is the one for you. I'm using a Westinghouse 3400 PSI 2.6 gallon. So if you have one that goes more than 4.5 gallons, then you'll remove the internal filter there. But this is what I'm using, and it gets the job done. But very awesome surface cleaner from Mekoh. If you need something like this, definitely pick up one of these. And that was super easy. It only took about 5 minutes. Look at the difference. And as you can see, this is the next morning. This is what it looks like. Here's the difference between pressure washed and not pressure washed.